All right, this is what we're working with. We got a lot of texture. I'm also gonna take some clips and help me out a little bit more up at the top. Look at our hairline. It's so thick, guys. It's so thick. Like, we're gonna make it fall like this though. Take a little hairspray and rub it under. I'm gonna take my hand and pull it back like this. Then bring it back down. Do that a little bit more. Just little sections at a time. Make sure we keep this volume, puffy look. Take this flat iron and just